Hello, good afternoon. My name is Anderson Caviedes, and this is my Tax 7 recording. And it says like this: when you were born, you were not able to communicate with adults around you by using language. But by the time you were 5 or 6, you were able to produce sentences, make jokes, ask questions, and so on. In short, you had become fluent native speaker. During those first years of your life, you accumulated a wide range of knowledge about less about it, about at least one language, probably with very little conscious effort. If you study a foreign language later on, it's likely that you, discovered that it was not nearly that easy. Okay, minimal pairs: seat, desk, wait, but, and but, so, saw, not, note, but, with, fast, first. Then we have another ones: desk, disc, very, by, pie, thin, thing, alive, arrive, catch, cat, see, she, fan, van. Let's save this for this one here. Fat, hat, free, three, sink, think, with, whiz, page, pace, vav, batch, fast, past, came, game, to, though, back, that, bag, am, an, hat, a hat. Now we move on to number 3, intonation. Sentences we want to stress: I know, we laugh, it stop. Sentences with 2 stresses: Anna works, time flies, Lena is my daughter, or my daughter, American pronunciation. Statement with 3 sentences: Peter doesn't live here. Lena wasn't invited. Bats are not birds. 4 stresses: she wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. 5 stresses: Maria wants to buy a new car. My friends play tennis every Saturday. I think the first question is very easy. And special questions: following intonation. What's his name? Where does he live? When do you call him? And some friendly interest and politeness, and rising intonation. Where have you been? What are you reading? When's your birthday? Do you visit them often? Have you seen my kids? With the rising intonation. Have you seen my kids? Are you ready to start? Could you give me a pen, please? Could you open the window, please? Would you mind helping me, please? Or would you mind helping me? Do you want coffee or tea? Does he speak English or German? Would you like coffee or tea? Questions. It's a beautiful town, isn't it? She knows him, doesn't she? Nice weather, isn't it? And commands. Stop it. Sit down. Close your books. Tell me the truth. Request. Rising intonation. Come in, please. Come here, please. Sit down, please. Exclamatory sentences. What a wonderful present. How beautiful her voice is. That's a lie. Direct address. Peter, can you help me? Mrs. Smith, this is Mary Brown. This is Mary Brown. Ella, can you help me? Ella, can you help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She bought bread, cheese, oranges, and apples. I saw Tom, Mary, Anna, and Victor. And some responses. Certainly. Of course. You're welcome. So that's basically my recording. I hope it's doing good. And I'm just, I will keep in, I'll be very attentive for corrections. So thank you very much.